Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm getting my hair done. I'm at the salon again because girl, I like my hair so much the last time, and this is like a 360 frontal and I wanted it to get like really melted and installed, and I'm planning on keeping it on for a few days. So I'm like, why not come get it done? Y'all know if I can get my hair done, I'm gonna get it done. You know, I don't really like people doing my hair, but like she's pretty bomb. Like Tiana Selena, she's pretty bomb, and she's the only person I trust to do my hair like that. Before I got into YouTube, y'all, let me tell you how she used to do my hair like all the time before I even knew I could do hair. So yeah, it's like full circle. Now I'm visiting her at her salon and getting my hair done. Anyways guys, today's video is sponsored by OmgHerHair. That's who the video is sponsored by, and they were kind enough to send me a unit to review for y'all. And OmgHerHair, shout out to them, they sent me this really bomb 360 frontal unit, and it's 20 inches I believe. All the specs will be on, well, in the description box below because I really don't remember, but it's a really nice unit. Let me show it to y'all like real quick. I don't know if y'all can see, this is what it's looking like. The knots are already pre-done for you, so pretty. So we're not bleaching the knots or anything because it's already done. It's pre-plucked, so good, and it's like a full 360. So that's the inside of the wigs. As you can see, it's pre-bleached, which is amazing. It's pre-plucked as well. It has combs as well as adjustable straps, and it is a full 360. The back looks pretty good, so I'm excited and I can't wait to put this unit on. So like, let's go.
Okay guys, so getting into the install, she's just like measuring up everything on my head. She did a ball cap method, but that was off camera because y'all see me do this every video, like almost every video I guess. But yeah, she did the ball cap off camera, and now we're just like measuring up the wig. And guys, this wig is a loose wave 360 lace wig, and it's 180% density, and it is a 20 inch. I wanted like a medium length, that's why I chose like the 20 inch. So she's going in with this Ghost Bond glue, and she's doing like 3 layers. I think she did 3 in total, yeah. So after each layer you let that dry, and then you add another layer. And I must say that the lace was pre-bleached and pre-plucked. It was however a little tidbit dark in a sense, but we made it work with makeup and stuff, so in the end it still turned out very nice. So after going in with the glue and it's dried, then she's just like laying the hair in the glue. The hair as well is supposed to be a medium cap. I will leave all the information down in the description box, but it was a little short on the back portion of my head, so if I wanted to do a ponytail I wouldn't be able to because it didn't fit all the way down to my nape. Not sure what happened with this cap, but besides that everything else was really good. So after like pressing the hair into the glue, she's going to cut the lace off and then like decide on the parting. And guys, once you cut your lace off, if you have the little areas that need extra glue, just get like a rat tail comb and add those little areas, and then just like, you know, lay everything down. So this is what it basically was looking like after the lace was cut off. She added, you know, the glue where it needed to be. And guys, I honestly wanted a side part, so I did this side. After a while, after she even like tidied down everything, I decided that I didn't want it on that side because honestly that's not the part that I part my hair on. I don't know what side you guys part your hair on, but I prefer parting my part on the left side just because I'm right-handed, so it's easier for me to like style my hair on my own. So after you do your part, you know, you lay your hair down with some mousse, tie it down with some styling strips, and just let the hair like mold and set into place, and then you can like move on to styling. But guys, this hair is pretty soft. It's very lustrous looking. You will see that. And if you saw like the intro, you saw how lustrous the hair is. It's really, really soft. It feels like really good quality. It is 100% human hair, so you know you can do whatever you want to do. You can color it. It's like really up to you because it is virgin hair. And guys, yeah, this is what happened. I told you we switched apart. So this is the other side that I much rather my side part to be on. And then she just went in and she did some curls and she did layer the hair, guys. So if you notice that it's short in the front, is because she added layers, and that's the look I wanted. I wanted like a nice medium length kind of style with a lot of layers and curls. I just feel like that looks so like grown and just like sexy, so that's what I did. Anyways, guys, I'm going to stop talking and you can like watch the rest of the video because it's pretty like self-explanatory. You can just see what she did. I really hope you guys like this video. If you're interested in this hair, then you can definitely check it out down below in the description box. Shout outs to OmgHerHair for sending me this unit, and shout outs to Glueless for doing my hair. Shout outs to Tiana Selena. You really slayed this install. Y'all go follow her on Instagram, and if you're in the Florida area, you can definitely like book her. So yeah, guys, keep on watching. I love you guys, and I'll catch you in my next one.